There is currently a giant hole on the sun, and it's pointing directly at Earth. Hi, I'm Ryan, I'm a solo astrophysicist. I researched the sun for a career, and I'm here to tell you about this hole on the sun. Well, more specifically, we don't have a hole on the sun, it is a hole in the atmosphere of the sun. The sun has an atmosphere of superhot plasma, we call that the solar corona, and so a hole in the corona is called a coronal hole. Here is an image of the coronal hole in extreme ultraviolet light, a type of light we can't see with our eye. The pink color you see here, this is just the regular atmosphere of the sun, but the black part you see that's kind of L-shaped there, that is the coronal hole. Now, the entire surface of the sun has a stream of plasma constantly flowing away from it at a speed of around 400 kilometers per second. We call this the solar wind. But in a coronal hole, these speeds are much faster, up to 700 kilometers per second, and what this means is that plasma is quickly kicked out of the region, and so it becomes very low density and becomes dark because there's not really anything there. And the reason we have these holes to begin with is because the magnetic field in these regions are pointing directly away from the sun, so plasma can escape really efficiently. So what does that mean for us here on Earth? Well, when these coronal holes are pointing our way, it takes a couple of days for that plasma to reach Earth, and when it does, it can trigger a minor or a moderate, or in some cases even a strong geomagnetic storm. This is when our magnetic field, Earth's magnetic field, which acts as a protective bubble from these things from the sun, it is impacted by this fast flowing plasma, causes it to wobble, and high energy particles can enter our atmosphere, and that causes the northern lights and the southern lights to be a little stronger than usual. So this hole on the sun, currently the coronal hole, will no longer be facing Earth in a couple of days, but about 1 month from now, it will be back again facing Earth once more.